In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can find recently added or saved contacts on your iPhone. So what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be creating a shortcut to achieve this. So you want to open the Shortcuts app. It's pre-installed on your iPhone. Then select the plus icon to add a new shortcut, right? You're going to click it. So in the search action section, search for contact. Select contacts. Then here you're going to select the option that says find contacts. Then for the sort by, you're going to tap on none, and then you're going to search for creation date. Here, ensure you select creation date. And then for the order, we want to ensure that we select latest first. Then you can limit the number of contacts shown. So I'm just going to keep the default as 5. Now in the search action settings, you're going to search for show results. Select show results. And then here, you can now select play to view the latest results. And these were the last 5 contacts that were added to my phone. So select done. Now click on done. And now you can run that shortcut again. So I'm going to select the show results shortcut. And there we go. It was executed again. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.